enjoy your lunch? Trouble is, I don't really want to heal, but... They were using this a lot, like I saw Oatly and a lot of the teams using, especially Oatly, I mean, I don't know about the others, but... No, I don't want to heal. They just did a scan. No! I'm gonna lose percentage. Okay, 1%. Do I play Valorant? No, I don't play Valorant. Mm. Hey, like... Lio? Lipe? Yeah, I played 9 matches last year. There's my little thing. We did set up the Azeron for it. Literally 9 matches. I don't play FPS games. I'm not really a gamer as such. I just happen to like Fortnite. So it's not like I'm going to all of a sudden play lots of other different games. Yeah, Granny. Yeah, I mean, my last game was Banjo-Kazooie on the N64 22 years ago. So apart from that and this, I haven't played, so... And I tried Valorant, but... I mean, I don't mind watching it. The pros playing it. Like Benji or whatever. And it gets quite exciting. But half the time I haven't got a clue what's going on. Just said he was wearing that skin. Yeah, it goes so far.